Hello everyone, and welcome back to another wonderful hoof trimming video. In this video, we find some of the most disturbing things that you will see in a cow's hoof. In this particular video, I thought it was just starting out as a normal sole ulcer or a normal white line abscess. But look closely, folks, and you will see those little tiny juicy maggots crawling out of this top toe. Once I noticed the maggots crawling out of this top toe, I wasn't sure how far underrun this sole was. After cleaning off quite a little bit more sole, we were able to diagnose that these maggots actually had underrun the majority of the bottom of this cow's hoof. Right here you can clearly see that the foot has become overrun with maggots. To me, these maggots are very disturbing and they need to be removed. While I understand that maggots do eat necrotic and decaying flesh, and they do help clean a wound, these maggots in this hoof will not allow it to heal. They are constantly irritating the corium as well as cleaning it, so they need to be removed, and a proper treatment needs to be put in place for this animal to heal. At this point, we're going to continue cleaning and removing sole horn that is disconnected or loose, and just find out how deep these little maggots are buried inside this cow's hoof. Watch as we pull another layer or two off towards the tip of this cow's toe. You will see that there is actually a hole and a pocket of these maggots that is coming out at a relatively fast rate. Any hoof horn, or hoof sole as you may call it, needs to be removed so that no pinching is possible from the hard, dead sole to the new growing corium underneath. At this point, you're probably wondering, what is the blue spray that I'm using? The blue spray is a copper sulfate-based spray. This spray helps treat digital dermatitis. In this case, it helps flush out those maggots, and if there is any bacteria, such as the same bacteria that grows digital dermatitis, we'll hopefully be treating that while we work on this cow's hoof. At this point, we have most of the loose horn pulled away from this lesion. After just a few more passes, we'll be able to put the wrap on this cow's hoof. Now that we've wrapped this cow's hoof up, and 2 weeks have gone by since, let's check out the recheck of this cow. As you can see, the maggots are gone, and there is some good horn healing all around that lesion that we had cut out. At this point, we'll do the same thing we did in the previous video, trim up any loose horn, clean it off, and rewrap this animal. At this point, the animal is walking much better and has good outcome that she will fully heal.